but I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to learn how to play Linger by the Cranberries, because that cover by that guy and the guy with the red hair with the guitar is like super popular viral right now, and this song is awesome. So if you've never heard the original, go listen to that. If you haven't heard this cover that they did, go listen to that. But first, let's learn how to play it. So grab your ukuleles, boom, make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. If you want to learn how to tune a ukulele, I have a video for that right here, but I can also make an updated one if you feel like that's out of date. So let's get to the chords. This is a really easy song, guys. Okay, so there are only 4 chords in the song. It is D, which is all 3 of these strings on the 2nd fret. You can use all 3 of your fingers, or you can just bar it. I like to use all 3 of my fingers because when I bar it, I sometimes touch this string and you don't want to touch it, because if you touch it, it mutes it. So the first chord, D. The 2nd chord is A, which is your middle finger, top string of the 2nd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string of the 1st fret. The chord after that is a C major 7, which is just 1 finger on this bottom string of the 2nd fret. And then the final chord is a G, which is middle finger, bottom string 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string 3rd fret, and pointer finger right here on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. So all together it is D, A, C major 7, and G. Let's get to the strumming pattern, which is the hardest part of this easy song. So the strumming pattern that I like to use is down, 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 up, up, down, up, down. 2 times on each chord. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. You do that twice on each chord. So starting with D, it'll sound like this, going D, A, C major 7, G for the entire song. So here's how you would play it. So let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of this song, guys. If you could return, don't let it burn, let it fade. I'm sure I'm not being rude, it's just your attitude, it's tearing me apart, it's ruining every day. I swore it would be true, honey, so did you. So why were you holding her hand? Is that the way we stand? Are you lying all the time? Is it just to get into you? But I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. Got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? So that is a pretty easy, pretty simple song. So I hope that helped you guys learn how to play it. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other songs you want me to do in the comment section below. And those of you guys that are subscribed and you're like, oh my goodness, Jay Willie guy, you're doing ukulele stuff again. It's like, I never stopped. I just took a little break and posted other things I wanted to, okay? I still do ukulele stuff, okay? I'm sorry. I just like to breathe a little bit. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, I also forgot I have a gaming channel and then I have a separate channel for my art stuff. So go check that out if you like that stuff. Now bye, for real.